Elon Musk has always astounded and amazed people with his groundbreaking inventions and discoveries. Fans are in constant wait for Elon to bring in something new which can progress the world around us. From his first invention, Blaster, which gave him $500, to his latest world-changing inventions like SpaceX and Tesla, which generates $31.5 billion in sales, he had certainly done the impossible. The most recent launch that awestruck people is the invention of Tesla's Gigafactory. Elon has introduced 4 of them to us. He believes that a total of 100 of them should be made to convert the whole world to sustainable energy. Hi there, and welcome to Stuffbox Tech. Today, I am here with you guys with some exciting and noteworthy news about the fresh production of Tesla's Gigafactory, which is building its colossal foundation on the surface of Brandenburg, Berlin. Make sure to stay until the end, and now, let's dive straight into the video. Gigafactory New Berlin will be the most advanced, well-developed, and high-volume electric vehicle production plant in the world. The company says it will commence its production with the Model Y, a fully electric, mid-size SUV, and once the early extension phase is complete, then the factory will produce 500,000 cars per year for the European market, fitting to Tesla's plan. The factory also aims to invest up to 4 billion euros in the project, as been reported by the media. Tesla plans to make new 4680 cells, measuring 80 by 46 millimeters, hence the name 4680 cells, with a higher energy density at the Berlin plant. It has also been said that Giga Berlin would be the largest battery factory with the ability to pump out 100 gigawatt hours per year. To make you understand more clearly, 1 gigawatt has the potential to power up to 300,000 houses. Now, I will tell you 5 significant facts that are mainly reviewed after Elon Musk decided to build a gigafactory in the Berlin area. First, located in the best place. The factory is located in Brandenburg, which is the most prime location for Tesla, as it has the highest production of green energy than anywhere in the country. Further, Tesla needs 12,000 people to operate at full capacity. And here in Berlin, there are more workers available, as job options for young people are very few. Also, Brandenburg has pretty well affordable living rate for the young shot workers who are willing to join the Tesla workforce from different German states. As we know, Tesla needs tens of thousands of employees to make the massive factory work. Second, the benefits of working in Tesla. Salaries of Tesla employees at Giga Berlin are extraordinary, even for the entry-level high-volume positions. It has also been revealed that the beginners would also be earning at least 2,700 euros per month. With that, the company has no issues in hiring people who don't have relevant experience in the field or were unemployed for a long time, as the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, believes that there are too many MBAs in the corporate world and that he doesn't care if one has a degree or not, because the man has practically taught himself rocket science. So, his belief has always been in people's abilities rather than their degrees. He wants the company to be as convenient and suitable as possible for his workers, so they can put all the efforts into their prospective tasks for the smooth movement of the company. One example could be of the 2 trains that have been prepared for the workers to allow them to reach at factory's doorstep every morning, making their transport easy and stress-free. Moreover, another facility for Tesla employees is that they have physical therapists around them in case of any emergency or strain, and they also guide them on how to prevent injury. This is extremely important because many of them work 12-hour shifts of intensive work for up to 4 days in a row. Third, environmental friendly. In September 2020, Elon Musk had told that Berlin's Gigafactory would be the most environmentally friendly factory in the world. They are achieving this by recycling things as much as possible. Tesla also targets to become self-reliant and independent by using sustainable energies like solar, wind, and geothermal energy. Later, they are aiming to use excess heat from the machine and ovens in the winter months to heat the factory, which will reduce cost and emission. Automated machines do the hard work inside the factory, while workers perform tasks that cannot be undertaken by machines. Both work in harmony to ensure flawless work and production. Fourth, Tesla's massive plans for the factory. The Tesla Berlin car plant's primary manufacturing areas include the press shop, foundry, body shop, paint shop, powertrain manufacturing, seat manufacturing, and final assembly. A factory plan, shared by German Tesla watcher Tobias Lind, shows footings for 8 die-cast machines, including holding tanks, quenching tanks, and melting furnaces that will be used to make 8 Model Y castings at a time. The California-based company says it will launch production with the Model Y, a fully electric midsize SUV. Once the initial expansion phase is complete, the factory is set to employ up to 12,000 people, who will produce 500,000 cars per year for the European market, according to Tesla plans, as mentioned earlier. To put these production figures into perspective, the Wolfsburg Volkswagen factory, the group's headquarters and the world's largest single-car manufacturing complex, with a surface area of 6.5 square kilometers, produced just over 700,000 cars in 2018, according to the company. All German car makers combined made 428,000 electric vehicles in 2020 in the country, fully battery electric and plug-in hybrids combined, and exported 62% of them. The e-car pioneer, long laughed at by German competitors, is attacking Volkswagen, Daimler, and BMW head-on their home market as a producer, employer, engineer, wrote German mobility newsletter Tagesspiegel Background in 2019. Fifth, environmental concerns. Despite the benefit the factory has to offer, not everyone in Berlin is ready to welcome Tesla with open arms, and some locals are also protesting against the factory. Many observers had anticipated a conflict with Germany's strong metalworkers union, which has more than 2 million members and has notified Tesla over its record of fighting unionization. Also, another issue that is concerning people is that the plant is located in a drinking water reservoir, and locals are worried about the vast amount of water the Tesla plant will consume daily. Not to mention that groundwater levels have already been receding fast in the region, following 3 consecutive hot and dry summers. It's not that the local supporters of the Gigafactory don't see the potential shortcomings of the plant and its predicted impact on the environment, but they are focusing on the bigger benefits for the environment that will come from Tesla's e-mobility drive of getting away from the harmful combustion of the engine vehicle. The production of the Gigafactory will not be activated before the end of January 2022, and Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has also specifically approved the 6-month delay. So let's wait and anticipate what Tesla will now bring out for us. Lastly, thank you for watching it till the end. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button right away, and let us know in the comments how automobile giants like Volkswagen and BMW can give tough competition to Tesla in the electric car market.